Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Ethereum and its valuations against Bitcoin. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, can ETH bounce back? Ethereum has been on a downtrend the past few days, coming from a relative high of 0.044445 against Bitcoin. It's down 16% right now since the local peak. And we're bleeding today. We're down, less than a percent. So you could argue that it's neutral territory. However, when we look at Ethereum, one thing to take note of is where it's come from. It's coming from 0.023 as the low. And to the top, where we almost doubled the Bitcoin valuation. Currently, right now, we're riding at 63% gain from the bottom. So it's not like Ethereum has been doing nothing. It has been doing something this past January. Now, can it continue? Well, there's a few things for that. One is Bitcoin needs to chill out, as we saw like yesterday. If Bitcoin rallies 20%, it rallied 19.45% yesterday, getting to a high of 46,712. Well, that liquidity is going to be lost by Ethereum, and Ethereum's going to be left behind, and that's what we saw. We saw a drop of 9.14% on the Ether Bitcoin chart. So if that continues, then if Ether Bitcoin will likely come down lower and lower. It's already broken the 20-day moving average, and we'll see how low it goes. My hope is that it holds support between these two orange lines, and the reason why is because when we put it through the monthly, this is kind of our support former resistance levels of Ethereum here, and just recently this past fall here, and these are where it lines up. If Ethereum's able to hold this and we're able to transition, then I think the ETH can bounce back. uh, However, if Bitcoin continues the rally, keeps on moving up, everyone's looking at Bitcoin and not Ethereum, then it's going to be exponentially more difficult for Ethereum to hold this region here in order to bounce back. What could happen, because I argued that it's Q1 that dictates the altcoin boom. Like altcoins do fairly well in Q1, especially in a bull run. With that said, we could potentially be at this level. We could have a red monthly candle for the month of February against Ether Bitcoin, and then next month in March we begin the rally again for another month. It's easy to get caught up in the couple of the past few days, or like past week at Ether, and say, well, Ether, the run is over, Ether's gonna drop. Um, I'm still holding a large majority stake of my Ether. Yes, I did sell some, but that's because I got stopped out. Um, and if the price kept on going up, then I would have that stop trigger would still exist. Anyway, the run isn't over. Uh, you know, until it's over. I mean, it's going to be hard to determine when it's over, but uh, looking at past moves and kind of like what I was expecting, it's not quite as much, but it's very possible that this is the end. I don't think so. Usually, it can't last less than 30 days. I mean, January was the run. I find that hard to believe. Um, but with that said, anything is possible, and I'm okay either way. I took profits on my Ether, so if it goes down, I'm happy that I sold some at least. If it continues to go up, even better, I'll keep on selling. But keep an eye on Bitcoin, you guys. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does any rash moves, uh, on the daily, like printing a 20% candle in a day, then expect Ether to drop further. However, if we hold steady here at in the mid 40s, then I would expect Ether to have another run, at least another leg up, which would probably bring the price evaluation against the US dollar to about $2,000. If we're able to get another run like we had in January, we could easily touch $2,000. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.